What's up, guys? Back with another 2-minute Tuesday. This time,
what we're going to be showing you is how to check if your harmonic balancer needs to be replaced on your LS engine. And so I'm pretty sure a lot of LSs have this problem. LS 1, 2, and 3, I'm pretty sure all have it. And so basically the harmonic balancer, which is one of the circular things on the front of your engine, which the belt goes over, will start to wobble back and forth and shift forward and back. And if you let this go too late, it can violate your engine. So I will show you how to check it. It's actually not that difficult.
yeah. So right now we have the 2004 C5 Corvette.
Yep.
Step 1 is to open the door.
Yeah, you want to unlock your car, open the door, and you want to open the hood as well. Oh yeah. And start the car.
Then start the car. Alrighty.
Alright, so now you can see a lot of stuff is spinning on the front of this engine.
There, and then we also got it there.
Let's go over to the other side actually. So, the harmonic balancer is the big one at the bottom over here.
It is, oh shoot. Do you have a flashlight at all? I don't think my phone light's gonna work on that. Alright, so the one we're talking about is this one, right here.
Yeah, it's the big one down there. And so, it will always have a little tiny bit of jiggle like all the rest of these do, so you don't have to worry too much about that. But if you can see it wobbling back and forth, then you can obviously tell that it's going to need to be replaced. Another thing you can do is when the car is off, you take just a little like white marker or something and mark it on there, and you can check over time to see if it's moving forward or back on its little like hinge thing. And so that's another easy way to check it. And so if neither of those are a problem, then you're fine. But like I said, pretty much every LS has this problem, and it could happen early or it could happen after like 80, 90k miles or something. So you never really know. It's not a huge issue until it is an issue, so just keep an eye on that as you drive.
Facting. Alright, yeah, that's, as you said, that's pretty much it for today.
Yep, thanks for joining us for this 2-minute Tuesday on this LS1. And
hopefully y'all learned something.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next.
Yep.